movie. Huh? Oh. Man, we outside. Niggas outside. We outside. Okay. Yeah. What's good, God? What's good? It's your boy. I'm back with another review, with another unboxing video. It's your boy Ant on the go-go. I can help you step your style up. I can help you step your game up. Hey, it's a brand new day, brand new day, brand new day. How you guys doing? It's been a roller coaster. I'm not even gonna lie. First of all, I just want to thank all my viewers and everybody that subscribed to me. Thank you so much. You know, it's been a roller coaster these couple days, buying so many different stuff and releases. Oh man. So it's Saturday. Saturday morning in New York City. It's not a cold day today. What, probably 70, 60, 65 degrees today? Not bad. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing great and healthy. You know, a lot of stuff been going around in the world and stuff like that. Make sure you guys stay positive. Keep it positive. Don't give up. I know you could do it. I know there's a lot of, bad energy going on. Stay away from the bad energy. Just stay connected. You know what I'm saying? Be positive. Don't give up. And yeah, these sneakers that I'm going to unbox. And if you're new to the channel, I do many different things. Check me out. I have tons of videos. I'm an entrepreneur. I do this every day. No job. So it's all me. I love meeting new people. Let me know. I do. Yeah, you're about to see. So I caught the Cactus Jaxx. These are some new sneakers. Travis Scott sneakers from Nike. Shout out to Nike. Creative box. Cactus Jaxx. Really dope sneakers, really dope. I'm gonna just jump right into it. I'm not even gonna waste no time. These are the Nike Zoom Field Jaxx. Nike Zoom Field Jaxx, Travis Scott, Cactus. Oh man. These are a brand new silhouette of the Travis Scott Nike. So it's pretty cool, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what you think about it. Brand new drop, Travis drop for the year, for 2025. Shout out to Nike and Travis. I'm not getting sponsored or anything, but yeah, these are fire. Super fire. Oh, smell good. Boom. Oh man. So let me tell you, these Travis I cop in store. These Travis Scotts is really like a GR. It's not really GR. It was kind of type limited. So I would say it wasn't too hard to get, honestly. Maybe if on the sneaker app it was hard, but these wasn't that hard to get. And I love the details. I love the strap on it. I love the fact that you could tighten your sneakers when you're running or if you're doing any activity. This is perfect. Is white, brown, a little hit of brown, amazing with the check. I love that detail. And it just goes perfect. And then not only that, you have the leather quality right here. Oh man, that leather quality is amazing. Yeah, Cactus Jaxx, Nike. Woo! Oh, it says shark on the side. Oh, this is dope. It says cactus right here and shark on the side. It got a lot of hidden details. Ooh. Gotta do my dance. Gotta do my dance. Smells so good, guys. So good. These sneakers, make sure you guys cop. You know what I'm saying? It's a great sneaker of the year. I think it's a nice first Travis Scott of the year. I like it a whole lot. Make sure, let me know your thoughts on it. You can wear these every day, spring, summer, winter, fall. It doesn't even matter. And yeah, it's amazing. It's an amazing shoe. Really comfortable. It wasn't that limited. Pretty cool. And yeah, I'm sure you could cop it in LA and stuff. These are not too hard to get, honestly, guys. Let me know in the comments, did you get these? Did you score a pair? Would you tow it? For me, I would tow it. On a scale of 1 to 10, I think these are a 9. I really like the color. You know, it's all white. You know, it just matches lovely. It just matches perfectly. Then with the tongue, the creative tongue, oh man. With the cactus, oh, giving me like that off-white feel with the tongue part. You know, yeah, I love that. And then it says the Cactus Jack right on the side. I love that. Yeah, these sneakers is a winner. Let me know if you cop, drop, or what would you do? What would you do with these? For me, I would tow it. You know, I would tow it. I wouldn't hold these sneakers for value, you know what I'm saying? I don't think these will go crazy, but I will honestly wear these. But yeah, guys, these are the Cactus Jack Field Max new silhouette of this Nike silhouettes, you know, of the Travis Scotts. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for viewing. You know, this is a size, what, 12? Too big for me, but I'm going to get my size 10. I'm going to get my size. Let me know, did you guys cop these awesome sneakers? Woo! Cactus Jack. Fire details. Amazing. 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 Let me know your thoughts on it. Look at the box. Size 12. Cactus Jack. I love the box. I love the details of the sneaker. The sneakers is amazing. Amazing shoe. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Woo! Fire. Can't go wrong. 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 Cactus Jack. Look at the detail. Look at that. Look at the wrapper. That is fire. They always go crazy for Travis. They always do a crazy detail. And look at that. I love that. Yeah. Let me know, guys. Amazing shoe. Amazing. And yeah, would these be the sneaker of the year of 2025? Let me know. But yeah, guys, I'm going to see you guys later. Over and out. Thank you for always staying tuned. Travis Scott's. I'm many more sneakers coming. Many more. Stay tuned. It's your boy Ant on the Go-Go. Over and out. It's lit. Woo. Woo. Amazing.